Welcome back to our channel, everyone. The weather's getting colder every day. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a super fun and cozy 2-in-1 product. First, I take an empty powdered milk can and cut a round hole at the bottom. This will be used as the heating chamber. Next, I use an empty small paint can and cut off the top lid to make the inner core of the heating chamber. After a few cutting and drilling steps like you see here, I place the core inside the milk can and adjust it so it fits perfectly. I use rivets to secure everything tightly. Then I wrap a copper tube around the core to circulate air and water. Once the heating chamber is done, I move on to building the water tank. I drill holes on the cap to create a flow path, one side to receive heat from the burner, and the other side as the outlet of the tank. I install the connector and the drain valve on the cap. Be careful here. Make sure there's no leakage. Using a large PVC pipe as the water tank, I drill a hole on top to make a fill opening. After putting all the parts together, we've got a complete water tank. To keep everything aligned and stable, I mount both the heating chamber and the water tank onto a large wooden board. I cut 2 flexible plastic hoses to connect the copper tube and the drain valve. For the burner, I take an empty beer can, cut it in half, and add a drilled cap to hold the liquid alcohol, the fuel we're using today. Finally, pour water into the tank and place some rocks inside the heating chamber. The rocks help retain heat longer and spread it evenly. Light it up, and let's see the results. As you can see, even with a small flame, a huge amount of heat builds up, keeping everyone around it warm. The circulating air and water heat up the tank, perfect for making yourself a warm cup of tea and just relaxing. It's awesome. Thanks for watching, everyone. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to support the channel.